What is up, guys? It's your average adventurer here today with Kayla. She's over there fixing out the boat right now. We are on the Withlacoochee. Really beautiful river. Not a beautiful day. Got a pretty cool video planned. We're going to paddle down about 3 miles, not a very long paddle. Hide the board and the kayak, and then hike our way back up to the vehicle, get the vehicle, come back down, pick it all up. So it's like a round trip almost. Should be a pretty cool video. Hope you guys enjoy it. This will probably be the last video before New Year's, so happy New Year's. Everybody out there be safe, and yeah, let's get to it, guys. Peace. Not so graceful.
Kidding me? I look at the branch and scratch and pull back.
Only the cool cats ride their knees like this. Just kidding. Extreme lack of balance I have on this, so knees it is. Alright, so it's pouring right now. I don't know if you guys can see. Well, I guess it's not pouring. That was dramatic. But it's raining and it's winter, so it's cold. So we're hanging out underneath this tree. We have a shelter we can put up if it gets too bad, but we're debating right now if we want to do that because we still got a good hike back. No idea what we're gonna do, but stay tuned. All right, we are on the home stretch. Just got to make it right over there. Find a place to hide these, and then we are hiking back. Terrible weather. Kind of getting chilly. Well, I guess there's a lot of wind on this lake, so gonna hurry up and get off this lake. All right, see ya. Okay, so we made it to the spot. This is the trail we're gonna follow, but right up there, I don't know if you can tell, there's an actual campground, and we don't, probably nobody will touch our stuff, but we don't want to chance it. So now we got to work on hiding the boards, and then we're gonna start the hike back. So here we go. Well, that's the best. That's the best we could do. Not terrible. Alright, so the boards are right back there. You can see them, but we covered them pretty good. Now we got about, I don't know, maybe about a 3-mile hike back up. Should be a good time. See how bad the frogs, you can see how bad the hogs rooted this area. Crazy. That'd be a cool tree to walk out on. We check it out. big old woodpeckers out there. All right, well, here's a good sign. Literally a sign. All right, all dad jokes aside, this is the sign we want. Crooked River. We're parked right down here. So we made it. Kayla's doing her victory strut. Now we just gotta cross our fingers and hope the paddleboard and kayak are still there. Not so bad. And we didn't have to park a car at the end and shuttle, and got a little bit more nature out of this. I like it. All right, gonna get in the truck, drive down there, then we'll get back with you guys. Alright, here goes nothing. Time to see if they're still there. I see something. Look at them. Look at the boys. Oh, you almost killed me. All right, well, there we go. That was a success. Just goes to show you don't always need a shuttle when you're kayaking. I know everybody hates to go upstream. We also hate that. But kayaking down, hiking back, not bad at all. It was actually a really good time. Yeah, success, like I said. We're about to head to this place called Dojay's, get some fried chicken. If it's good and open, I will film a little bit of that. So if you guys want to stay tuned after this, you can see what it's all about. But other than that, I will see you guys next time. Peace.